Some legends are born. Others are made. One was stolen.
It began as America's pony car.
A revolution in steel and style.
The Shelby GT500 was born. A monster for the street.
Then, Hollywood gave it a name.
The original Eleanor, a movie star.
A cult classic. A legend in yellow.
But its story was net over.
Legends was reborn for a remake.
A new face. A new icon.
Designers crafted a new identity. Every line was built for aggression.
It was more than just a car. It became a rolling piece of art. Beauty with brutal, modern power.
The ultimate restaurant fantasy.
The world fell in love. Everyone wanted a piece of the legend.
But fame brought conflict, a battle for the car's very name.
Its identity was locked away.
Until a court ruling changed everything. Eleanor was finally set free.
Free for all to build. Free for all to dream. A timeless automotive legend.